Okay, so admittedly, this one is met with surprise and shock when I tell parents about it. Remember a while ago when I told you about how you can use permanent life insurance as a form of investment to save money? Well, you can do the same thing for your kids. Life insurance on your kids. And like I said, when I tell this to parents, they're always shocked. In fact, one dad a couple years ago was mad at me, like legit mad. He's like, why would I put life insurance on my kids? That's like wishing they would die. That's disgusting. No. No, I mean, I have insurance on my car. It doesn't mean I hope I wrap it around a telephone pole. Because the term life insurance when it comes to your kids is met with a bit of apprehension, let's change the name for the purpose of this. Let's call this an insured life investment account. And I'll run you through an example just like I did last time. And just like last time, I'm going to be using the Canada Life Par Estate Select Max 20, which means you pay into it for 20 years and then the policy is paid up and you don't put any more money into it. And I didn't get in trouble last time I put a Canada Life illustration up, so I guess I'm allowed? Or they're just not paying attention, maybe. In this example, we've got Mama Harkness, who has a son named Jack. Jack is a 1-year-old boy when they put together this application. Now, Mama Harkness's budget says she can do $50 a month into this life investment account. Now, that's going to get a death benefit of over $34,000 right away, but we're going to ignore that for now because, as we know, nobody's child ever passes away at a young age unexpectedly. That $50 a month is going to be $600 a year, and as you can see, after 20 years, Mama Harkness no longer has to pay for it. Now let's say Jack is 36 and he wants to go buy his first home. And the reason I picked 36 is because that's the average age of the first-time home buyer in Canada right now. Well, when Jack is 36, there's going to be over $21,000 of cash available in the policy. Now keep in mind, Mama Harkness put in $12,000 over the 20 years. So $12,000 into the policy, into the life insured investment account, and there's a cash value of over $21,000. Now let's say for a second that Jack doesn't want to use it for a house. Jack wants to save it until he's going to retire. Well, when Jack is 65, there's over $101,000 available in that account. I kind of want to point something else out with this policy as well. As you'll notice, the death benefit keeps growing. So even though Mama Harkness only put $12,000 into this policy, it will keep getting bigger as long as the policy is in force. And because Jack Harkness is going to live for a very, very, very long time, this death benefit is going to get huge. Hashtag Dr. Who joke. So yes, you can also use life insurance as a form of investment for your kids. Now, to be fair, it's probably not the first thing you're going to do, but it's definitely a strategy you could look at.